Makes mama happy!
Check ignition and may God's love be with you.
Okay, I'm not going to make a big, interesting, well-crafted video on this. This is a practical print. Our sink drain needed a strainer in the bathroom, and I had printed one of these over a year ago, but it got warped. So I'm going to print a new one, and this probably isn't the best material to use. I'd like to use a PET, and that's what I had used originally. But even that warped in the dishwasher. My wife tried to clean it. But we're going to try this real quick print. I'm doing a little bit of a different infill here. Originally triangular was not available, and I had to do honeycomb. But I'm going to do this. I think it'll be okay. It'll last a little while. PET would be a better material to use, and when I eventually invest in some PET filament, I will use that. Sorry, my printer bed's a real mess. Hi guys! Anyway, printing on a mirror always makes it that. Okay, get off of there! Get off of there! It's glued on there pretty good. That Mod Podge works really good as a. I use Mod Podge. I know some people. This thing is totally empty. I dilute it a little bit and just use that instead of a glue stick. But so sometimes it leaves a little bit of a film there, but it comes off because it's water soluble. So let's go downstairs and try it out in the sink drain. Okay, the wife's going to kill me. I'm not going to clean the sink before this video. But so she had put this tea glass, that's what it was, which is PET based, that I had printed in the dishwasher, and it warped. So she wanted me to print one. It used to be clear, but the mold likes to turn it black. So printing it in black and with the triangular infill, I designed this in OpenSCAD, and then just print it with no top or bottom layers, and basically it's just 2 cylinders. It goes in here just like that. So this is a hair strainer, and as a practical print, it has to do something. Strain hair. See how it works. So what do we got here? You can see the hair has been strained. Ta-da! What do you think?
Makes mama happy!
All right, practical print Saturday. Get this hair off my fingers!
P.S. works on beard hair too.
Does it work on beard hair too?
Works on beard hair too.
There's a beard up there somewhere. All right, cut. What I got into 3D printing for was practical prints, so I hope to do more of those. I know it's not the great thing that everybody must watch. I try to squeeze these videos in any chance I get, so there's lots of noise in the background, and I can't help that, and I'm not going to try. So enjoy it.